Cancer. This message has found you because your life is on the verge of significant change. Something you have been waiting for or working toward is starting to shift. Even if it feels subtle, energy around you is moving, and your choices now will define the path ahead. Your intuition is heightened, so trust what your inner voice is showing you. The first card is Two of Cups. This card signals connection and partnership. It could show a relationship, a collaboration, or a bond that begins to deepen in a meaningful way. Spirit is highlighting emotional alignment. People, situations, or opportunities that resonate with your values and heart are coming forward. At the same time, Two of Cups reminds you to be aware of balance. Reciprocity matters. Give and receive in equal measure. This energy is about mutual respect and harmony. If a connection feels off or draining, it is showing you what does not belong in this new phase. You may feel emotional clarity around relationships that were confusing or unsteady. What you need and what aligns with your higher timeline becomes more obvious now. Trust your feelings. They are accurate signals guiding you forward. Finally, this card encourages openness. Vulnerability is strength here. Share your intentions, communicate honestly, and allow yourself to receive what is aligned with your emotional truth. The second card is Eight of Pentacles. Here is focus and dedication. Your efforts are paying off, Cancer, but Spirit is emphasizing skill building and consistent effort. The next phase of your timeline rewards precision, persistence, and mastery in whatever area you are investing your energy. It may feel repetitive or slow at times, but every effort contributes to stability and long-term results. This is not about quick wins, it's about laying solid foundations that last. This card also shows that recognition is coming. People notice diligence, quality work, and commitment, even if it hasn't been obvious before. The timeline shift is supported by the dedication you've demonstrated quietly. The message here is continue building, refining, and focusing on what matters. The work you put in now opens doors that weren't visible before. The third card is the High Priestess. This is intuition, mystery, and hidden knowledge. Cancer, your intuition is your greatest tool right now. Spirit is asking you to pay attention to subtle signs, dreams, and inner nudges. Not everything will be explained, but your guidance will show the right path if you listen. The High Priestess also suggests waiting for clarity before making major moves. Some information is hidden for a reason. Patience will reveal what you need to see when the time is right. You may find yourself drawn to reflection, meditation, or quiet moments alone. These pauses are not wasted. They are crucial for understanding the shifts happening beneath the surface. Finally, this card reminds you that you already have the answers inside. External validation may help, but your own insight is what will guide you to the next aligned step. The fourth card is Ace of Pentacles. This card signals opportunity and tangible new beginnings. Financial, material, or career-related openings are arriving. These may come as offers, ideas, or unexpected gains that set the stage for growth. Ace of Pentacles also emphasizes practicality. These opportunities require action and attention to detail. They are promising, but only if nurtured and developed with care. Spirit wants you to notice how small changes or investments now can produce long-term stability and abundance. This is a seed for your next phase, and how you handle it will shape your timeline for months ahead. Finally, this card is about alignment. The universe is giving you a chance to step into a stable, grounded phase. Trust that your timing and effort will manifest results that serve your growth. The fifth card is the Chariot. This card represents movement, control, and determination. After the reflection, focus, and opportunities shown in the first four cards, you are now ready to take charge. Your timeline is moving forward, and you are in the driver's seat. Challenges may arise, delays, obstacles, or resistance from others, but your determination and focus give you the power to overcome them. This is not about forcing results, but about steering with confidence and direction. The Chariot also highlights personal empowerment. You are learning to trust your decisions, assert boundaries, and focus on what truly matters. When you act with purpose, the universe aligns to support you. Finally, this card signals momentum. Once you commit to this direction, things begin to move faster than expected. Your confidence now sets the pace for the shifts in your life. The sixth card is Ten of Pentacles. This is long-term stability and reward. Your dedication, intuition, and strategic focus are beginning to manifest in tangible ways. This could be financial security, career recognition, or fulfillment in personal life. For some, this may also represent family support, community recognition, or the feeling of finally having a secure foundation to build on. You see that your efforts were not wasted. Spirit wants you to notice the impact of your consistent work. The structures you've been building quietly are now giving you both security and freedom to expand further. This card also encourages gratitude. Recognize and celebrate your accomplishments and allow yourself to feel proud of the stability you are creating. The seventh card is Death. This card represents transformation and endings. Something in your life, old habits, relationships, or mindsets, is completing its cycle. While it may feel uncomfortable, this clearing is necessary for growth. What is ending now frees you for what is coming next. Cancer. Holding on to the old would block your timeline from shifting into alignment. This is about intentional release. You may notice a change in perspective. What once felt vital now feels heavy. Letting go brings relief and opens space for opportunities that are in line with your higher path. Spirit is asking you to embrace this transformation fully. Trust that endings are a prelude to breakthroughs, and your new chapter will be stronger and more aligned. The eighth card is the Sun. This is clarity, joy, and fulfillment. After reflection, focus, action, and transformation, the universe now aligns with your intentions. Energy flows smoothly, doors open, and life feels brighter. The Sun highlights confidence and visibility. Others notice your growth, effort, and presence. Recognition, success, and genuine happiness now enter your life in alignment with your new timeline. This card confirms that the changes and transformations you've been navigating are leading to real results. You feel energized, clear, and aligned with your purpose. Celebrate this moment, Cancer. Every step you've taken, the patience, reflection, intuition, and effort, has contributed to this shift. Your timeline is moving in your favor, and your life is entering a phase of clarity and stability. Affirmation: I release what no longer serves me. I trust the timing of my life and my intuition. I welcome stability, abundance, and joy into my life. I embrace change as a pathway to alignment. I move forward with confidence, clarity, and purpose. If you feel connected to this reading and want deeper guidance, personal readings start at $9, and my $99 monthly membership offers 30 days of unlimited follow-ups for continuous support as your timeline shifts. Your next chapter is unfolding, Cancer. Step into it fully.